Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this Samsung. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Play Store. Then access background apps and click on the icon of your app. Finally, click on Open in Split Screen View and tap on the other app, like Gallery. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!